Everyday English Duo. Learn real English through real conversations.
Have you ever tried booking a hotel in English and suddenly your brain goes empty?
Oh, yes. You think you're ready, and then they ask, would you like a king bed or two twins? And you're like, yes?
Or you check in and they speak super fast and you just smile because you understand nothing.
That polite smile of panic. We've all done it.
But don't worry. Today we're going to help you feel calm and confident from booking to checkout.
Exactly. If you're traveling soon, or even if you just want to sound natural in English, this video is for you.
By the end, you'll know how to book a room, change a room, call room service, make a complaint.
And even ask for late checkout without feeling stressed.
So stay with us. This is your complete hotel English guide. Hi everyone, welcome back to Everyday English Duo, where learning English is real, simple, and fun.
I'm Erik.
And I'm Emily. And today, we are traveling. Well, not really.
We're in the studio, but we feel like we're traveling.
Yes, because we're teaching hotel English from booking to checkout.
We get so many messages from learners saying, checking into a hotel is scary.
And honestly, I understand. There are so many questions. Passport, please. Do you want breakfast? Card on file?
Card on file sounds like a crime movie, but nope. It just means they need your credit card for the reservation.
See? It's not that scary when someone explains it simply.
So, today, we'll walk through all the hotel English you need.
Step by step, friendly, easy, fun.
And we'll give you natural examples you can copy.
Ready? Let's start with booking, online and by phone.
1. Booking a hotel online or by phone.
Okay, Erik. Imagine you want to book a hotel, but the website is confusing. What do?
You call, and don't worry. You only need a few simple phrases.
Like this one. I'd like to make a reservation.
Super useful, simple, polite. Want to try it with me?
I'd like to make a reservation.
Perfect. And if you already booked and want to confirm, say, I'd like to confirm my reservation.
That one is great. Hotels love when you confirm.
Then you give your details. Name, dates, number of guests.
Something like, it's for 2 guests from June 10th to June 12th.
Yes, clear and easy.
And what if you want a specific type of bed?
Then say, do you have a room with a king bed? Or, can I request 2 twin beds?
I always request a high floor.
Ah, yes, Emily likes the view.
I do. And the phrase is, can I request a high floor?
Perfect. And one more important question. Is breakfast included?
Very important. Food always matters.
Always. 2. Checking in.
Now you arrive at the hotel, you walk up to the desk, they say, welcome, how can I help you?
And you smile and say, I have a reservation.
So simple, but so powerful.
Then they'll ask for your name and passport.
And maybe a credit card for incidentals.
Yes, that just means in case you buy something.
Like snacks. Or too many snacks.
Exactly. Then they might ask, would you like breakfast? Or how many room keys do you need?
You can answer, yes, 1 please, or 2 keys please.
And if the room isn't ready yet, they might say, your room will be ready at 3 p.m.
And you can reply, no problem, thank you.
Or ask, can you store my bags?
That's a lifesaver. They always say yes.
3. Changing rooms.
Now imagine you go to the room, and something is wrong.
Maybe it's noisy. Maybe the bed is too small. Maybe your neighbor is singing opera.
Loudly.
Very loudly.
You don't have to suffer. You can call the front desk and say, could I change rooms, please?
Sounds polite, friendly, calm.
And then explain the problem simply.
It's too noisy. The air conditioner isn't working. The room smells like smoke.
You don't have to give long explanations.
No stories needed, just simple facts.
And if they have another room, they'll tell you.
And if they don't, they'll try to fix the problem.
4. Room service.
Okay, next. Room service, my favorite part.
You can order food without leaving your room. Amazing.
To order, call and say, I'd like to order room service.
Then say what you want. I'd like a club sandwich. Or, can I have a pasta, please?
And don't forget drinks. Can I have a water? Can I have a coffee?
They might ask, anything else?
And you can say, that's all, thank you.
When they arrive, they may say, enjoy your meal.
And you say, thank you.
5. Making a complaint.
Okay, let's talk about complaints. Sometimes travel isn't perfect.
Sometimes the shower is cold. Or the Wi-Fi doesn't work. Or there's a mystery noise at 2 a.m.
Hotels want to help, so don't be afraid to speak up.
You can say, hi, I have a small problem with my room.
That's a very friendly way to start.
Then explain, the Wi-Fi isn't working. The shower is cold. The TV isn't turning on.
And then ask, could someone please fix it?
Nice and polite.
And if it's urgent, could someone come now?
Still polite. Still simple.
6. Late checkout.
You wake up on your last day and you want more sleep.
Always.
Checkout is at 11, but you want to leave at 1 or 2.
Just call the front desk and say, could I have a late checkout, please?
They might ask, what time do you need?
And you can say, 1 p.m., please. Or 2 p.m. if possible.
If they say no, don't worry. Say, no problem, thank you anyway.
Very polite.
7. Checking out.
Finally, checkout. You go to the desk and say, I'd like to check out.
Easy. Clear.
They'll print your bill and ask, how would you like to pay?
And you answer, credit card, please.
They might ask if you took anything from the minibar.
You can say, no, nothing. Or, yes, 1 water.
And that's it. You're done.
Okay, Emily, what did we learn today?
A lot. We traveled through the entire hotel experience,
We started with booking. I'd like to make a reservation.
then checking in. I have a reservation.
Then we changed rooms politely. Could I change rooms, please?
We ordered room service. I'd like to order room service.
We made simple, friendly complaints. I have a small problem with my room.
And we asked for late checkout. Could I have a late checkout, please?
Every part was simple, clear, and natural.
And that's the goal, to help you travel with confidence.
So now, you're ready for any hotel in the world.
Yes. From booking to checkout, you can speak clearly and politely.
And if you forget a phrase,
Just smile. Friendly always helps.
we hope today's lesson makes your next trip easier.
Tell us in the comments, what's the hardest part for you? Booking, complaints, room service?
And what place do you want to travel to next?
Thank you so much for learning with us today
We'll see you in the next episode.
on Everyday English Duo.